Your door is more than just a functional barrier between your home and the outside world. It serves as a key element of your home's curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. Over time, however, wear and tear can compromise its performance. Whether you're dealing with an outdated entryway or a door that no longer meets your needs, it's essential to know when it's time for a door replacement. If you're in Houston, where extreme weather can take a toll on doors, here are the top 5 signs that it's time to replace your door. Increased energy bills. One of the most obvious signs that your door needs replacing is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. Over time, doors can become inefficient at sealing your home from external elements, particularly in a climate like Houston's, where humidity and temperature fluctuations can wreak havoc. If you notice drafts near the doorframe or see your HVAC system working overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, it's likely that your door is no longer energy efficient. A replacement door with modern insulation can help regulate your home's temperature, leading to lower utility bills and improved comfort year-round. Visible damage or wear physical damage to a door, whether from weather, age, or accidents, is another clear sign that it's time for a replacement. In Houston, the hot and humid climate, combined with the occasional severe storm, can cause doors to warp, swell, crack, or peel. Wood doors are particularly susceptible to damage, but even steel and fiberglass doors can begin to degrade over time. If you see rust on metal doors, large cracks in the wood, or if the paint is peeling off in significant areas, it's a good idea to consider replacing the door rather than continually trying to patch it up. A new door not only enhances your home's appearance but also ensures it remains secure and functional. Difficulty in opening or closing. If your door is becoming increasingly difficult to open or close, this could be a sign of structural issues. Warping due to humidity, a faulty frame, or damage to the door's hardware can cause it to get stuck or not align properly with the frame. This could lead to difficulty in locking the door or prevent it from functioning as it should. If regular adjustments or lubricating the hinges no longer solve the problem, replacing the door is likely the best solution. A smooth operating door is vital for both safety and convenience, and a new door will restore ease of access. Compromised security. The security of your home is one of the most important considerations when it comes to doors. If your door no longer provides the level of protection you need, it's time for a replacement. Over time, doors can weaken, locks can become faulty, and frames can warp, all of which compromise the safety of your home. In Houston, where storm surges and hurricanes can be a concern, ensuring your door is secure is critical. A new, durable door with a solid locking mechanism can help protect your home from both break-ins and the elements. Investing in a door replacement can give you peace of mind, knowing your home is secure. Aesthetic appeal. Sometimes, the reason to replace your door isn't related to its performance, but simply because it no longer complements the look of your home. If your door looks outdated or mismatched with your current home design, it can detract from your home's curb appeal. Whether you want to add a modern touch or bring a more classic feel to your entryway, replacing your door can be a quick and impactful way to elevate the overall appearance of your home. Choosing the right door can instantly improve your home's aesthetic and give it a fresh, inviting look. Conclusion: a door replacement is an investment in your home's comfort, security, and visual appeal. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above in your Houston home, it's time to consider upgrading to a new, more efficient door. Not only will this improve your home's energy efficiency and security, but it will also enhance its curb appeal, creating a more welcoming space for you and your family. Whether you're looking to replace an old, worn-out door or upgrading for aesthetic reasons, taking action sooner rather than later can save you money in the long run and ensure your home remains safe, comfortable, and beautiful.